Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
And for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session here today with me. So, we're here at gold. Gold. It's always a fun ride with gold. For gold, guys, I am looking for two things today. I'm looking for buy and I'm looking for a sell. So currently, I'm looking for a buy above this high. Okay. Or I'm looking for more structure here to take a buy here.
Rakan R1X just subscribed for 3 months in a row.
Thank you so much, Rakan, for the subscription 3 months in a row. The one subscription. Thank you so much, Rakan. Always great to see you here, man. And we're having fun in the VIP as well. Yes, baby. Let's go. Miss you. Hey, what's up, Obis? Let's go. Bro.
Dat bald guy underscore has been subscribed for 2 months in a row.
Thank you, that ball guy, for the resubscription here. Tier 1, 2 months in a row. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Always great. Hi, bro. You're not anymore a seller. Why? I am a seller. What do you mean I'm not a seller? I am a seller. I'm overall sell. But I'm not selling before we're coming up to this area here. Or unless we come down and we break 4,600 again. Because we came up here. You see here. This was my 4,660 level, where you had this trend line coming down here. You broke that, and after that you had a last try here at 4,700. If you broke that, then I would turn bullish. I said that to my VP, so I'm now a little bit bullish short term for 4,800, 4,900, unless we of course break here and come down, and that's the end of the story. Yeah. So I'm looking for a buy on top here, or I'm looking for a sell up here in this area here, right? I'm simply waiting to see what's gonna happen here. If we have some interesting trades we can take. So far, I see this bull flag here that just broke out, came down, retested, and then came into this zone here, right there. And now we want to see how this zone is going to react. Whether it's going to continue being bearish and go down, or if it's going to see a good rejection from here coming up, something like this, right? So that's what I'm looking at right now. Oh, okay, you missed US yesterday. No, we took it in VIP. We took it in VIP. But I was not live on Twitch yesterday because I had to do some other stuff. I miss you calling me Sora. Oh, I will call you Sora then. Sora. That bald guy, Sora. That bald guy, Sora. Yes. I remember. Good afternoon. Hey, Rule. How's it going? Hey, Maxi. Hey, Oma. Let's go. I miss you. I miss you guys too. Thank you so much for your support, guys. All right. We came down to 37. Did we tap the sell zone? Let's just check. We did tap it, and we are currently staying above, so not really bearish yet. As long as we stay above here, I'm not really looking for sells, to be honest. Let's have a look at the EMA. We're holding up pretty well. The 9 is also holding up pretty well. I want to see a breakout from here, guys. We already got a breakout from this bull flag, came down, retested, and then retested again. I was not expecting another retest, but we got it. So now what we want to see is we want to see price starting becoming bullish here. Okay. So let's see what's gonna happen. Boa Tare, my Scandinavian amigo. Hey Peter. How we doing, man? How we doing? Okay. Moving a bit up here. Owl is about to close. Got a really nice bottom wick there. I think I don't need to wait for 58 actually. Might just... Yeah, I might just... Guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have a buy stop here at 50. Okay? So if price starts reversing, coming up, we're gonna be in at 50, okay? Because I don't think it's gonna come back down again. Let's see here. The buy stop is gonna be 750. Stop loss is gonna be below here. So that's gonna be this is where we broke out. This is 30. It's gonna be 25. And TP1 is then gonna be 75. And then we have 800 and we have 830. Let's see. Let's see. We did come down, right? We did come down. We are staying above. Yeah, we did come down to tap the 0.78 level. So it looks like we could just break out here. We got a bottom wick on the hourly. We got a bottom wick on the 4 hour. But guys, I need to be very clear about this. If the 4 hour closes like this, you have a fair value gap down here, right? So I need to see if price is coming down first into that fair value gap, because now the 4 hour is going to close. And if it closes like this, you have that 4 hour fair value gap just below here, right? So I'm not going to take this unless we just see a bottom wick taking out this low and then coming up into our buy stop, okay? I'm not taking this yet. Not taking this yet. Even if it comes up to 50 now, I'm not taking it yet. I need to see that we come down for a bottom wick on the 4 hour and then continue up, okay? Because remember, we have a big fair value gap just below. Yo Obits, how are you? I am once again done with gold trading. Stocks is the way for me. Alright Marius, you're going for stocks instead? You're missing out on a lot of sells here on gold once we come up to 4,800, 4,900. Just holding the buy. Which buy? Which buy? I'm Kardashian. Okay, not Kardashian. Kadina and Shin. I don't know what it is. Let us know when to jump the gun. Yes, of course. Of course. Let's see here, guys. So 4 hour is gonna close in 1 minute. Once it closes, you have a lot of liquidity here at the 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I was always mainly stocks and started gold only last September, not feeling it anymore again. Because it doesn't go your way or what? Or it's just too volatile? Okay, guys, remember, I'm not gonna enter here yet. We have no bottom wick. We have missing bottom wick here, okay? And remember, we have 4 hour fair value gap just down here, okay? Not entering yet. I need to see price come up with strength after I created bottom wick. So now we have this top wick here, which means if price comes down, and flips up, I can enter the buy stop, okay? If not, I'm looking for buys in this 4-hour family gap. Buy stop not placed? Not yet, not yet, not yet, Shay. Not yet. I wanted a bottom wick first in the 4-hour. I kind of got one. If it comes all the way down, wouldn't you enter again down there? Yes, I would. In the 4-hour. Let's see. Okay, guys, we're starting with a bottom wick here. So if we reject here, okay, if we reject from my sell zone and we do something like this, we can enter on the buy stop, okay? All right. But if we come down to the 4-hour fair value gap first, then you know what to do. Hello, bits. Hey, Montade. Just joined. Is this active now? Not yet. Not yet, Montade. We have to come up on the buy stop at 4,750. Currently, we're rejecting my sell zone, which means we're not looking for sells. We're looking for buys. But you need to show momentum strengths that you want to come up. Okay, guys, look at this. We are starting coming down here. Do we place buy stop? Yes, we're gonna place buy stop. Guys, you can place the buy stop now. You can place the buy stop now. Okay? You can place the buy stop now. We got a bottom wick. We rejected from the sell zone. We also got a top wick, so if we come down first, we're not going to activate the buy zone. Instead, we can take a buy in the 4-hour fair value gap. I think is the hardest thing to trade in general. Gold, yes, it is. It really tests you. It really challenges you. Okay, are you guys ready? If this flips and goes up, we're in for the buy stop, okay? If it comes down to the 4-hour fair value gap first, we're gonna look for buys down here. Buy stop set. Yep. Why am I looking for buys, guys? Because we come up here. We had a bull flag, not a bear flag, a bull flag, and we broke out here, came up here, and retested here. And now currently we are rejecting the sell zone, which means we are looking for breakout buys. Okay, we're starting to roll over here. Let's see. Guys, have you set your sell stop? Do you have ongoing buy from previous days? Yes, I have 4,680, 86, 85, and 92. Gold made me addict. Make money, Marius. Currently, we're just playing. You're talking about 4-hour favorite gap. I think it's 15-minute favorite gap. No. Go to the 4-hour. This is a 4-hour favorite gap, Peter. Right here. 4-hour favorite gap. Because the 4-hour just closed, and now we got a bottom wick. So if this 4-hour flips, that will be your 4-hour favorite gap. Usually 4-hour is like a magnet. It's like it attracts price to come down there. So I could see price come down here. That's why I'm a little bit like, I want to see a bottom wick first, and I want to see, you know, price starts pushing up, right? And once I get 100 pips, I go risk free in case it suddenly reverses, right? Bro, by the way, imagine since that September total value traded in my account, gold only was 298 million, 170 pages. Worst part, I came out with only small profit, huge losses like 20k in record. Wow. I was addicted. I mean, I'm also kind of addicted to gold, you know, like I only trade gold really, but I use the other assets or the other like commodities indices, metals to see where gold is heading. For example, you can see here the bonds is slowly pushing up, right? Which means or right now it's consolidating, right? But it's slowly pushing up, so that means gold should come down at some point. You also have the DXY that is consolidating right now, but if it breaks up, then you know gold is gonna come down, right? You have oil coming a bit down, which also means gold is going to come down. So I just wait for that top to unfold here. Okay. Do you also look at the other metals like silver? Yes, of course. Of course, I got my... I got, it's not on this chart right now, but I got my 82 and 83 level right here to look for, which aligns with 4,788 on gold as well. So I'm looking for that one. For potential sales. Potential sales. This might go to 4,830 or 4,825, which aligns with the gold futures chart. Here. It is 4,830 right there. Previous level. Coming up, testing it, use it as a resistance to then come down either into the daily fair value gap right there, or break the daily fair value gap and go down to lower lows, right? So that's what I'm currently looking for. So I'm short-term bullish now, guys, because we broke 4,700. But I am aware of the fair value gaps down below. I am aware of them. Okay, guys, are you ready? We got our bottom wick here. We are rejecting currently the sell zone. We are above the sell zone, so it means that the sell zone is going to come higher up with us. The 9 EMA is holding up here. We broke out from the bullish pattern here. The bull flag here came up, retested, created a good, nice bottom wick. On the 4 hour, the 1 hour, we got our bottom wick already. We're ready and set to go, to fly high. So we have our sell stop here ready. Stop loss below the recent breakout. So that means we have 25 here. I'm aware this is also where we have the fair value gap. But it's okay. I'm just looking for price to come up to 88. Okay. Okay, we're in. Let me know if you're in. Looking for 75 and 88. Okay. Let me know if you're in. Running 10 pips so far. This one for now. Running 20 pips. Okay. 10 pips, guys. Are you in, guys? Are you in? 20 pips. 15 pips. 30 pips. 30.7 pips. 20 pips. In there, let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's see. Gotta stay above 50 here. Can still do this, guys. This is okay. This is not dangerous. A retest from the breakout is not dangerous, okay? I'm not gonna move my stop loss before I at least get 100 pips. Okay? Okay, moving 20 pips. 25 pips. Got a 15-minute closure above, moving 30 pips. 20 pips. Let's see, back at entry. Hey, we've been live for 2 hours. Go drink some water, my guy. Oh, we haven't been live for 2 hours. Here we have. Oh, you mean for the? You mean for the entire stream? Like if you also count the VIP stream, right? That's also what you mean. I can drink some water. Okay. I will drink some water. Mm-hmm. 20 pips, guys. 20 pips. 30 pips. 10 pips. It's almost there. It's almost there. Be patient. Have patience, guys. Have patience. Ten pips.
It may seem like you're under some kind of a spell.
It's sure taking its time.
Feeling extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. Yeah, I have that effect on people. It really is just me. You probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above.
20 pips in drawdown, 10 pips in drawdown. The wig is too volatile, man. I thought gonna go stop loss already. Which one? Which one? MKW? This one? 41? No, we stop loss at 25. Stop loss 25. I don't really care about this, bro. My stop loss is down here. So if you come down into the 4-hour family gap, then we hit stop loss. And then we can enter a buy down there. But I'm looking for a breakout because you had a bull flag right here. Oh, sorry, you cannot see it. Here, you have a bull flag here. You broke that bull flag, came up, created a higher high, retested that bull flag, and then came up and slowly creating structure to the upside.
It's just me. It's just me. It's just me.
This is the 4-hour bottom wick right there. Now we'll delete this one there, and I will delete this one here so you don't get too confused. This is the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour flip, guys. So if price comes down below 46, then we are flipping on the 4-hour. That would not be good. We gotta stay above 46 now. Got 40, 41, which is real nice. Now you can see here a little slope up here, right there. Oop. Okay, guys, 20 pips again. Let's see. Can we break the high? We got a good bottom wick on the hourly. We got a good bottom wick on the 4-hour. I'm still aware of the 4-hour family gap just below. That's why after 100 pips, I'm gonna go risk-free. Okay, moving 40 pips. 50 pips. Get shit on, brother. Hey, James Song, nice to live stream. I hope you're doing well. 50 pips, guys. $60 pips. And let's go! 60 pips here. Guys, let me know entry. 70 pips. $70 pips. After 100 pips, I go risk-free, okay? And I take partial. But my target is 75 and 88, okay? And if it's really stretched, 4,800, 4,825. With TP at 4,830 if it wants to make a liquidity sweep there. Running 60 pips, guys. $50 pips. 60 pips. I needed to come up here and take out the New York high. Get us 100 pips, then we go risk-free and we take partial, okay? Then we don't care what's gonna happen afterwards. Then we look for structure to see can we break up further to the upside or no. $50 pips here. $30 pips. Let's see, oil coming down, DXY coming down. 50 pips, 40 pips. $50 pips, guys. What is this music? Hello? Hey, here we go. Yeah, baby. Get shit on, brother. That's more like it, guys. Now we're here. Come on, baby. Hey, legend, thank you for the follow. Nice live stream. We're currently running 70 plus pips here, guys. Let's go. $80 pips. Give me that 100 pips. Give me that sweep. Above New York high. Give it to me. All right, guys, I'm gonna go risk-free here. Take some partial 80 plus pips right there because we're at the New York high. Stop loss above entry for risk-free trade. $4,750.2. Okay. if price comes back down, then it's because we have swept the New York high. And then we could be looking for a retest. But what I would be much interested in would be the 4-hour fair value gap down here. If we come down for a retest. Okay? So if I'm looking for a retest, I want price to come down in the 4-hour fair value gap. That would make much more sense. But if it doesn't, let it run, baby. Okay. Let's go, baby.
It's so big! Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Get shit
Why
out,
are you
brother.
running?
Now, guys, if it comes back to 50.2, it's all right. We don't care. We're out, right? If it comes back down to 50, what I expect is a liquidity sweep into this 4-hour fair value gap right here. Okay? If that happens, we'll take it. So, first I'm looking for a 15-minute candle here, turning bullish and a fair value gap. And then I would like to see a top wick showing some kind of resistance to then go down into that 4-hour fair value gap. If that doesn't happen and it just runs, I don't think it will, but if it does, then we're looking for 75 and we are looking for 4,788. Okay, but I don't think we can just hold this, guys. I think we're gonna have a retest. That's why I go risk-free. You made some money, guys? Rocket baby Goldie, let's go. Yes, in the plus and risk-free, all good. I'm happy for you. Will you update in VIP if any more trades today? Of course, Pierre. Of course. Of course, Pierre. As I said to you, I'm looking for the 4-hour fair value gap retest. And I'm looking for this area here as well, right? Looking for this area here as well. 4,788 to 4,830, okay? But we are risk-free in this trade now, Pierre. Okay? You got your revenge after you got tapped out at BE. You took partial in VIP, and you took partial here as well. I also use fixed volume profile. Around 4,770 is a low volume node, could be heavy resistance. Exactly, man. 4,775. Let's see how close we are to my futures level. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hey man, what's your name? 3 weeks in a row following you, again another profit. I'd like to say thank you. Hello brother, my name is Obits and I'm from Scandinavia in Europe. And your name is Paul and you're on YouTube. You're welcome. Nice to see you got some profit. If you would like to join for more profits in the VIP, or you would like to learn from me, have bootcamp, one-on-one session, or copy trading, me trading for you, like, you can join. Right now we have a VIP offer, 6 months for $5.99, normally $149 per month. So you can do the math. It's pretty good, like, discount. I think about 35%. If you are guys interested, you can get VIP for 6 months, $599. This is including tax. This is normally this is excluding tax, okay? So it's gonna end up being $174 or something with tax. But that's because we pay tax here, not doing any illegal stuff. We want to make sure that we're clean, so we do tax. This is without tax because the tax is included. So there is tax, but it's included in the price. So it's $599 with tax. Okay, so if you're interested in 6 months VIP with me and all the other VIP members, then that's where you could go. Other than that, we have copy trading, bootcamp. Yeah, you name it, man. I also had a guy who wanted to learn pocket option, one-on-one session. So he's paying for 2 hours of, you know, one-on-one session with pocket option. Like, name whatever it is, and I'll be your bitch. Okay, here we go. Here comes the retest, guys. So what we would like to see is either price comes down to here, 51, 52, 53, and then goes back up again and creates this structure. If it doesn't and it just goes straight down, then it's coming down to this 4-hour fair value gap where there is much more liquidity to take buys. Just notice price tag the weekly VAH. For me, the missing top wick here is 4,833, bro. I don't know what the VAH means. A wall hack or what? I don't know, guys. I'm not into ICT or smart money concept or like CTR or all these kind of strategies and everything. I just trade, man. I look at the price and then I buy and I sell. That's it. That's it. There you go. That's your retest. Let's see. Either we're gonna come up here again, creates a higher high, or we're gonna come down, hit BE, and probably gonna come down into this 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see. There we go. And we're out. So now we're waiting, guys. Let's see if we can come down into the 4-hour fair value gap. If not, we want to see a retest and continuation up. Okay? Let's see. We just tapped the 9 EMA right there. So next trade would probably be either up here or in the 4-hour fair value gap. I would like to see price come all the way down here in the 4-hour fair value gap, guys. Okay? Because this is the special session here between the like New York session stock market open for liquidity sweeps. So a retest into the 4-hour fair value gap here 26 would make sense, but it's not guaranteed, of course. If we don't get it and we just get a bottom wick and we flip, well, what can we do? We can get in here again, right? And take it up to the next level, right? Double VAH, value area high. All right. Let's see, guys, if we can come down to the 4-hour family gap. Taking another music here. Goldie. Hmm. By the way, I entered with caution. Nice, James. So, trade 1, we got 80 pips. And now we're currently looking for a retest into the 4-hour family gap, or we are looking for a little bit of build up here. Do you only trade gold, or do you sometimes trade pairs? I don't trade pairs, bro. Too slow. Nothing is happening on pairs. Let me show you. Let me show you pairs. Do I even have them anymore? Okay, let's take German 40 for example. Okay, this is German 40, right? So let's go to the daily. Look at this here. So price went to 23, then went up to 24, then down to 23, and then up to 24 again, right? Maybe it goes to 25, then down to 23 again, 22. So that means it moves 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, whatever, within like 3,000, right? But gold, I mean, goddamn, 4,000 here. So that's 300 here, right? 500, 700, 900, then down here 600, then up here. And then because the lot size is worth much more on gold, you just make more money. So you have to put higher lot size on pairs and stuff like that in order to make any money. Like I can put 0.01, still make a ton if price goes up 100 pips, like, or 1,000 pips, right? Like, I love gold. All the other pairs, they're too slow. And also they're like, you know, they are always going to stay the same, you know? Like gold can always go higher or go lower. But like, you know, Euro USD, if you know, the USD is bad, Euro goes up. But at some point, USD is going to be good again, right? And then Euro goes down, right? So it's always stuck at the same place, because if it didn't, well, we couldn't use, you know, Euro and USD, right? Because, you know, that's our currency. So currencies will always stay almost at the same place, but gold can always go up. And when it goes down, I will catch that dip to buy it up. Spread seems higher too on pairs. Yeah. Exactly, man. Okay, guys.
Get shit on, brother.
Thank you for the follow, Jutsul. Now see live stream. Hope you're doing well. Jutsul, we just took the first trade here, trade 1 from 50, and took it up here 100 pips. Sorry, 80 pips. It came up 100 pips, but we took partial at 80 pips. And now we're currently waiting to see either that this is a retest to go up, or we're waiting for the 4-hour family gap to be tapped. So it looks like we got a good bottom wick, and it looks like we are holding above here. Would like to see here that this is our new floor, guys. If this is our new floor, You're teaching me a lot. Really appreciate what you do. Oh, you're welcome, Pierre. You're welcome. Of course, that's what I'm here for, man. Okay, guys. So, if price comes up and takes out this high, then I would like to have about these 300 mini pips. Not 300 pips, but 300 mini pips. So 0.3 pips. To just cover the top wick, right? So I would like to enter here at 62 if it breaks out. If it breaks out. And then what we can do is we can take it up to 72. That's 100 pips. And then just cover with this bottom wick, right? But my target is up here. And that's if it goes up. If it's gonna go like I think it's gonna go, that now it's gonna come down into this 4-hour family gap, then we can take a buy down here, right? Hey bro, why don't you trade silver? I do trade silver, but I'm not interested in silver before $50. It's too high up now. And silver is very expensive. The 0.01 lot size is gonna break your account if it suddenly goes volatile. Okay. Let's see here, guys. If this 15 is gonna be convincing enough for me to take a buy. If it doesn't come up, guys, and close bullish here on the 15, then I'm not interested in taking the buy. Then it looks more like a rejection, 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 and then this is like, you know, liquidity sweep, and this looks like a shoulder, head, and then a shoulder, right? And then you gotta have a head and shoulder pattern here. I would really like to think that this is the floor, but the thing is,
Get shit on, brother.
we just don't have that confluence yet. Thank you for the follow. Nice in live stream. You didn't miss much. You only missed the 80 pips for the first trade, and then now we're looking for either buy or sell up here. I have a question. I may have to put my story on it. Is it cool? Yes, of course, Gigant. Hey, Obits. You're welcome. Of course. I will gladly read it. Guys, this looks more like we're coming down to the 4-hour family gap. To me. But I'm waiting to see here if we can... see this the silicone zone come up with me. 42. Just Giga? Giga, alright. Wait. Okay. Okay, let's see. Hmm. DXY is at the buy zone now. Guys, don't set your buy stop yet. Don't set your buy stop yet. Don't set your buy stop yet. Are we? No bottom weight. Hmm. Guys. Hmm. XY coming down. Okay. Doesn't create a higher high. Not really taking out that convincingly. Guys, I'm gonna have that breakout at 61, okay? And I'm gonna have that breakout here at 50. Okay? This is a sell stop, this is a buy stop, okay? Alright? Because this looks quite bullish. The 30-minute has a bottom wick, the hourly has a bottom wick, but again, it doesn't look like it just wants to break through with strength. You know what I mean? Like it's not pushing as much as I want it to. It's holding back. You see that? See here? This is a higher high, but then you got a higher low, and now you get a higher low again if it doesn't push. If it doesn't push, I'm not interested. Okay? We can set both now. Set the buy stop. And if it rejects here, you can set the sell stop. Okay. Ready, guys? We need a 50-minute closure above here. See, again, it's rejecting again. Guys, 62 for buy stop. Set your buy stop 62, okay? Stop loss below here. at 40. 40 has no bottom wick there. It's gonna be 42. And TB1 is gonna be 82. 82. Okay, but we're gonna have a 100 pip partial if it goes there, okay? Okay, so this is very important, guys. Listen to what I'm saying here. This is not looking strong enough for me yet. It's not just pushing, you know, it's like grabbing liquidity, taking this, then grabbing here, then coming down. It has a missing bottom wick here. So what I want to see for this to be a real trade is I want to see a 15-minute bullish closure above here. Okay? I want to see a 15-minute bullish closure. But get a 15-minute bullish closure, we can take this trade. If you don't get a 15-minute bullish closure and price pulls back, then once it creates a bottom wick, it can take us down here. Okay? You see how it's like struggling here? It's like pushing, but then not pushing. Holding 60. I'm gonna delete this one for now, but I'm still curious about this missing bottom wick here. Still curious about this missing bottom wick here, right? Hey Obits, have you seen my chart? In your chart? Where? On Discord or what? Guys, I'm not taking this yet before I get my 15-minute bullish closure, okay? Not taking this yet. Not taking. It's here, but I'm not taking it yet, okay? I need to see a 15-minute bullish closure, okay? Not taking this yet. In Twitch, you cannot share links here, bro. If you set your buy stop, guys, delete your buy stop. Delete your buy stop. We're not like... If it was really, really bullish, it would push. But it's like... It's creating this, and then it's creating this, and now it's like, you know, it's not... It's gonna create a 50-minute fair value gap here. I'm not convinced. I would like to see a 50-minute bullish closure, retest, continuation. Or I would like to see a missing bottom wick here. Guten Tag, hey Ord. It waked me in, but I deleted the buy stop, Shay. Also, it came up to 61.8. You said you would like to hear about the story and answer my question. Yes, but you haven't put... Oh, okay. You put... Okay, you didn't put your chart. You just put your story. You mean your story. I'm a 70 years old and I would like to learn Forex trading. I'm from... Okay, I'm from Philippines and I saw a video about MT5 and some people told me I should try or even learn first before trading will account. How long do you think, or should I take a learning session or course to be able to trade consistently? There we go. Okay. Okay, yes, I read your story. So I thought you said I will be sending my chart, but you are not allowed to send links here in the Twitch. That's why I got confused. I thought you would send it on Discord. But yeah, if you're 17 years old, first of all, you should have your parents' account, because, you know, you need to be 18 years old to trade. So they have the ownership on that until you are 18. And then you can ask your mom or dad or relative who's 18 years plus to put some real money, so that you can test yourself and see what it feels like to lose some money. I know it sounds harsh, but in order for you to make it big, in order for you to win, in order for you to get good at trading, you need to lose money. I lost $65,000, $65,000 to $70,000 in the first 3 years of my trading journey. When I first started trading, sorry, I need to turn off the music. I cannot concentrate. Here, there we go. Yeah, I lost $65,000 to $67,000 the first 3 years of my trading journey. So if you don't lose money, you don't know what risk is, and you don't know how it works. And that's why I'm not really. I cannot say to you just go on a demo account, because if you go on a demo account, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one lot. And you're just gonna win some money. You're gonna be like, put no stop loss, and you're gonna make $10,000s, and you're gonna say, oh man, I'm so good at this. And then you go on a live account, and then you know, you go on that live account and you make, yeah, $100, maybe $1,000, and then you lose all your money again, right? So no, I'm not that keen when it comes to just go on a demo account, just trading that. By the way, guys, it's not active. Remember, I want a 15-minute closure. It's not active, okay? So what I would encourage you to do is to add a little bit of money, do very low risk, 0.01 or 0.02, trade and learn, like taking 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, and just be better and better with patterns and understand the psychology behind trading, and how lower highs, lower lows, higher lows, higher lows is working, and how the wicks are showing a story, and how the candles is telling a story, right? And if you need to have that kind of guidance and you don't want to do it alone, I do have a boot camp. But it is extremely expensive, bro. I do have a bootcamp, but it's extremely expensive. I have the material. So we recorded 3 days of bootcamp. So you can check that out if you want. You can just reach out to my team and hear how much that is. And if you're all lost and you don't want to trade yourself, you can get copy trading from me. But if you want to trade yourself, you can also get VIP. And if you want free stuff, you can just sit here and watch me live and see how it goes, right? So here, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Now the hour is about to close in 1 minute. What's going to happen is that you're going to create a 15-minute fair value gap. I want to see if that 15-minute fair value gap is going to be our new floor or higher price. Okay? So if price doesn't give me a wick down, close that fair value gap, or it doesn't give me a fair value gap, then I'm not interested. Okay? So, yeah. Start from demo account, bro. But he's not going to learn anything, James. You're going to sit on that demo account with one lot, and you're going to make $10,000, not put stop loss, and you're going to make money every single day, and you're going to not understand what risk is. You're not, like, I'm telling you, you're not learning anything by going on a demo account, because you're not losing money. When you don't lose money, it's not fucking with your psychology. And when it doesn't fuck with your psychology, you think you are like the biggest trader in the world. You think you're the king. You know? You think you are the best trader in the world. And it's going to go to your head. It's not good, man. We're not in this, guys. It's not active, okay? It's not active, all right? As I said to you, I wanted to see a 15-minute bullish closure. I got that. Now I need to see, do we get a bottom wick into this zone? Or do we get a fair value gap here that we then can buy from when price comes down? Okay? That's what I'm interested to see. Masan, thank you so much for the follow. Nice and live stream. Hope you're doing well. What I will do instead here. What I will do instead, guys, is I will here. Yeah, see now it comes down to fill that fabric gap. Let me see here. If you made some money from this trade here, then close it at BE because we're not in. We're not in this trade yet. Okay, we're not in this trade yet. Not active. Not active. Okay. I want to see this 15-minute bottom wick here, or I want to see this fabric gap being closed, or at least retest this level here. Okay, and then when it comes up again, then we can get in for the buy stop. Okay. Gold always have opportunities. Price is always moving for pairs. The reward was so little. I did, but I'm not good at it. Well, then join the VIP Gigant, Giga, sorry, not Gigant, Giga, or join the bootcamp. Reach out to my team and hear them about it. What I can tell you is that when we are trading here live, I'm looking for invalidation zones. I'm looking for what it means. It means if price goes to a certain place, I cannot take that bias that I had before anymore. So what happened is that I was selling, I was in sales, and then when price came up to take out 4,700, then I changed my bias. Bias means that I'm changing my direction, or I changed my psychology to where I think price is going to go, to being a little bit more bullish. Bullish means uptrend, right? So now I'm looking for buys, and I'm looking for buys into these patterns here, where you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And my strategy is based off either taking the buy stop when you get that higher high being taken out and getting in for that new higher high, or it is to get in from previous levels where liquidity grabs are happening right here to get in for the bigger trades, right? Okay. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So guys, currently this is how it looks. I'm not getting in for this yet. I'm waiting. We got up to 64. This was my TP for VIP. If we didn't hit BE, guys, you can see at 64. This is what we were looking for earlier. So we're not in this one now.
Xauusd 3 NDK just subscribed for 3 months in a row.
Thank
This
you so
might be fun.
Thank you so much, Short. Thank you so much for the follow. Nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. Jord, we're currently looking to take a buy coming up here, or we are currently looking to take a sell coming down to grab some of the liquidity into this 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Currently rejecting from that 64. Let's see how. Let's see where that is in my. So this is my future zone, right? This is my future zone. We're right here at 75. And I told my VIP that I was interested to see how price would react around 75, 88. Now we're pretty much here. So for me to turn bullish again, I think we do need liquidity in these 4-hour zones. So either I'm going to wait for a buy stop for higher highs here, or I will see a 15-minute respect this level, or I would start selling down towards that fair value gap. Okay, I'm going to move this one up here. Here we go. And I'm going to be very careful here. In this 15-minute close. Once this 15-minute close, it will tell me whether we should take a sell with tight stop loss above here, taking it down to the 4-hour, or if I should take a buy from the 0.618 level, going up, continuation buys. Okay. All right. That's what I'm waiting for currently, guys. I had a buy stop up here, but we deleted it and it's not active. Okay, if you took it, hopefully you closed at BE, as I told you. Okay, we're here now, 56. Let's see. It tapped into my zone here. Great. Guys, I will have buy stop at 62 again. Buy stop here at 62. Taking it up to 72 for 100 pips. Okay, if we come up. If we close bearish here, then I will take the buy from here. Okay, I just need a bottom wick here. I just need a bottom wick if I want to take it from here. I don't want to take it as long as I don't have a bottom wick here. But 62 for buy stop coming up here, that's okay. We can just put stop loss just below here. Still, we are holding strong above the sell zone. So we are respecting, we are rejecting. Okay. DK, you're still here? You still here? Hey, Lip the Chip. I don't look at anything other than gold. If you want other pairs, you can see over here. It's $20 for another pair because I don't really look at it. I'm not really interested. Okay. I can easily become a millionaire on a demo account. Exactly. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. No, you've been subscribed for Prime for 3 months. Thank you so much. Should I put a deposit for capital to start trading? You can either choose to try to trade yourself with a small deposit and then follow my streams online here, or you can actually join the VIP and take the signals from me, or you can let me trade for you. I do copy trading 100% free. Okay. Guys, waiting for 62, okay? If we tap into 62, I'm looking for 72 for 100 pips, or I'm looking for 88 or up in my sell zone, okay? All right. Buy stop numbers 62, correct. And then stop loss will be below this wick here.
Get shit on, brother.
42. Okay, Yuk, thank you so much for the follow. Nice live stream. Hope you're doing well. Guys, buy stop here 62, okay? Buy stop will be 62 on the flip. Stop loss will be 42. Okay. TB1 is going to be 82. TB2 is going to be 800. All right. Almost there. Let's see. Came down into my zone here, but we didn't get that, grab that bottom wick, so we could have bought here, but I didn't want to take it since we didn't have bottom wick, so I'm looking to take this. Capital though, need exact numbers? Yes, okay, so for real trading, I would highly suggest you to put $500 plus.
Get shit on, brother.
I'm not really a big fan of people who are putting like $100 or $200. It's very risky, it's very, very dangerous because, you know, you on gold for example, you take 100 pips.
Get shit on, brother.
You hit stop loss for 100 pips, you lose $10 on your account if you do 0.01, which is 10% of your account, which is not good. So $100, $200 is no go for me. I understand some people doesn't have that kind of money, but $500 plus I would always say, or even higher, $1,000, $1,500. If that's too much for you to trade on your own because you don't want to risk it, then you can, you know, make copy trading with me or account management with me, and then I can trade it for you. That's up to you. Okay, guys, 62 here. 62 here, okay? Be ready. Come up there. 62, A7. What's a good lot size for 100k funded account? For 100k funded account, you can easily do 0.1 to 1 lot, right? Depending on the trade. If you do small trade, you can do, you know, 1 lot because you have tight stop loss. If you do big trade holding for long term, you can do 0.1. And you can do multiple trades, so you can scale it and you can, you know, split it up into multiple trades. Okay, guys, let's see. Looking for a buy stop here at 62. So if we come up there, guys, it will be active, okay? It will be active. That's gonna flip this candle and take us up. But I'm still looking at this bottom wick here. If there's a missing bottom wick here, it makes me a little bit in a waiting position, you know? So it's only if we flip up here. I wanted to take this buy here, but I cannot when I don't have a bottom wick here. And still, I'm looking at this 4-hour fair value gap down here. So I'm really cautious about that. But since we are so bullish and moving so heavily up, I don't see why we should stop at this level currently. Okay, maybe we get that bottom wick now. Let's see. We get our missing bottom wick. Damn, I trade with $50. That's like, how are you surviving that? If you hit 100 pip, you lose $10, 0.01. That's like, you know, 20% of your account. Like, I mean, some of my trades is 200 pips, 300 pips. How are you gonna survive that? Okay, we're here, guys. We are at my buy zone, but just don't have that 15-minute bottom wick. I don't like it. Give me that 15-minute bottom wick and then flip, and I'm interested. Okay, seems like I'm getting my bottom wick now. What happened to the music? It's almost weekend. Yeah, it's almost weekend, guys. Need that bottom wick, guys. Once I get my bottom wick, then this buy stop will be a reality. Okay. Okay, but Giga, you want to speak to your parents about, you know, doing the copy trading or doing the VIP or something like that? I don't want to encourage you to do something you don't want to, but if you're interested, you can reach out to my team with your parents, and then, you know, you can be looking at either VIP or copy trading or anything like that. Okay, guys, let's see here. Can we get that bottom wick, guys, at 51? know we haven't taken much trades yet, guys. It will come, it will come. I think we're gonna have 3 trades today. I think we're gonna have 3 trades today. We're gonna have a buy, and we're gonna have a sell. I may need to put 250 if I have some money left. Giga, on our broker, you can get 20%, 50%, or 100% bonus. So, check it out. Check it out. And guys, let me remind you again. For the VIP, we have 6 months offer. $599 for 6 months instead of $149 per month. You can do the math yourself. It's a big discount. Also, the $149 is not included with tax, but the $599 is included with tax. So, big discount. For you to do and manage the copy trading, what broker do you use? This one right here. Store Trader. It's a regulated broker. Good withdrawals. Easy and to process, and with the 24/7 live support. You also have live support in my VIP if you are interested in that. Okay, guys, if I get my bottom wick here, then we could take it. Maybe we don't need this 62. Maybe we just need to get down to 50 again. Okay, Orbits, good night for now, and good luck to you all. Thank you, thank you. Our TP is going to be 782 A7. 782. Okay. But I don't think we need this. Because if you come down, grab a bottom wick, then I'm literally just going to take a trade. Probably from the 50 level. Yeah. Probably around this area. It's a bit slow now. Guys, I'm gonna take a small sell, small lot size here, down to our zone here. Let me know entry. In at 53, probably in at 53, 52. Stop loss is gonna be above it. Be 63. DB1 is gonna be the 40 level, and then we have, of course, the 20 level, which is gonna be our 4-hour fair value gap for now, right? So delete the buy stop for now. Delete the buy stop for now. Just gonna have the sell here, just above here. Take it down into our zone. Got a missing bottom wick there now. Price reacted from the 15-minute here. Looks like we gotta come down to this zone here. Winning at 52, nice. Okay. Moving 10 pips, let's see. Let's see. We're in at 52. Are you in, guys? Are you in? Okay, we're moving here a little bit. 10 pips, 20 pips. Remember, we have that 4-hour fair value gap down here. When price is struggling like this and doesn't really want to keep going, then it would be nice to come down here and grab a little bit of liquidity. Let's see. I'm gonna sell. Nice, Dillian. Yeah, Rule, you're right, but we still have that 4-hour fair value gap, and I just feel like price would be attracted to this before moving higher, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, we're moving 20 pips. Are you in the sell, guys, with me? Okay, we're moving 40 pips, 50 pips. Anybody in the sell with me? Let's go!
Let's go!
Hi, after 1 year, Lord, what is minimum amount for copy trading? Minimum amount for copy trading is $1,500. And then with the 100% bonus, you can get $3,000. If your country doesn't allow it, you can get 20% or you can get 50%. And if it's not your first time depositing, then you only can get 20%. But most countries can get 100%. Some countries cannot get 100%. Okay, guys, we're coming down. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We have our first target here. And then we have our 4-hour fair value. Remember our 4-hour fair value gap? You remember this, guys? Remember this? Okay, let's see. And here is 60 plus pips. 30-minute about to close. Bearish here. There we go. We're inside the zone. I'm gonna go risk-free here, guys. Running 70 plus pips here. 90 pips. Okay, guys. 100 pips. There you go. 100 plus pips. Take some partial. Go risk-free. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE 4,751.8. Okay. Good. Good shit. Make some profit, guys. Make some profit. TB1. Done. TB1, baby. Okay. We have this 4-hour fair value gap down here, guys. I would like to see price come down and fill that fair value gap. Maybe even come down and sweep this low right here at 16. Right? If we can do that, then I think we have a lot of momentum to go up to that 4,800 level. Okay, guys? I'm in short from 65. Nice, bro. I do believe we are coming up again later to 800. Okay, guys. If we move on, then TB3 would be 4,655. Oh, sorry, 56. Why? Because that's where we didn't go down to tap and retest. All right, guys. Running 100 plus pips here. Always profit with you, bro. Hey, Brian. Let's go. Yeah, you making some money? Let's go, baby. Woo!
It's so big!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Look at that, guys. We are moving. If we get a 15-minute bearish closure, then what we would expect is a little bit of a retest and then continuation down to our 4-hour fair value gap. Okay? Yeah, nice move, Omar. Let's go. I have to leave here soon. Can I already set an order for buy stop? Yes, if price comes back up and return for 62, bro, you can enter for buy there. But for the buys we're looking for down here, I will put it in VIP, Pierre. I will put it in VIP. So just keep your eye open, okay? Just keep your eye open. As I'm looking for price to come down into our 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, guys, if you like what I'm teaching here, if you like my trading, and yeah, if you want to see more, then we have VIP. For 6 months, you can get get VIP live streaming and VIP live signals every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then of course also signals Monday and Friday, right? I'll also go live for NFP or FOMC, or if there's is something. It's $599 for 6 months. Normally it's $149, and that's excluded with tax per month. So you are gonna save a lot of money because this is included with tax. Okay, of course you can also just take this, but it's gonna be very expensive in the long run. So I just think it's better to take that 6-month deal if you want. Other than that, we have bootcamp and we have copy trading. And other than that, yeah, we have our VIP, and I think that's it. Academy. Reach out to my team if you're interested. I'm Cardin. You can join VIP by reaching out to my team. How much is copy trading? Copy trading is completely free, bro. You just need to deposit $1,500. That's your own money. There you can use a 100% bonus or a 50% bonus or a 20% bonus depending on your country. And if you have 100%, that will be $3,000. If you have 50%, that will be $2,275, right? Or $2,050. Okay. So yeah, let me know if you're interested. Would be nice to see price retrace back to Wednesday before Uncle Grandpa announced his imaginary deal with Iran. I would like to see price come up to my sell zone here, bro. 4,830. Right? But if we don't get there now, I would like to see that 4-hour fair value gap being tapped first. But yeah, guys, I don't think we can take more trades. We took 2 trades. I know it's not a lot, but we literally need to come down to this 4-hour fair value gap first. And it haven't happened yet. So I think we're gonna be stuck here, or we're gonna, you know, consolidate, go sideways, or come down slowly to this. So keep your trade open, okay? Keep your trade open. Salut, Jesus. I have no idea what that means. Probably is French. The only French I know is Je m'appelle Obitz. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? And oui. Baguette, right? That's what I know. Do you do the full management of the copy trading so it's hands-free? Completely. I do TBs. I do stop losses. I do entry. I do BE. I do lot size. Everything. You don't have to do anything. It's 100% hands-free. Put $1,500. It's your money. I don't touch your money. I'm just trading it. Use the 100% bonus or 50% bonus or 20% bonus to get more on your capital. I trade whatever it is, $1,500 plus, and then we can see where that goes. Then we split depending on your investment. It can be 20-80. For a big investment, it can be 30-70. For a small investment, and it can be 40-60. For a small investment, and for the worst investment, you can get 50-50, right? That means you only get 50% and I get 50%, but that's also if it's very, very low capital, right? Most people go for this, and then we have some big players who goes for this, right? Because you need the 80%, I don't need the 80%. But of course, if I sit with $1,500, you don't use bonus or anything like that, I mean, it's a lot of work, right, for me to grow that account, so we do 50-50, right? So yeah. But yeah, I always go for you to get the most of the capital in the long run, and then it's up to you if you want to withdraw it or if you want to compound it to get more money. Right now we've been going a little bit up and down on copy trading, but once we reach 3,500 to 4,000, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be buying for that all-time high. Okay, so yeah, you can look forward to that. How much can you grow $3,000 in a month? If you go down to $4,000 per ounce on gold, well, then we can grow really, really fast, right? Because then I can just buy for all-time highs, and then it's going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But if we're consolidating, doing all this kind of back and forward and, you know, choppiness all the way up to 5,000, then we have to go back again. It goes slow, right? Thank you for all your help as always. You're the best. Love you. You're welcome, man. Reach out to my team for more information about copy trading, about VIP. And guys, remember, if you're already in VIP and you want to get that 599 deal with 6 months, this is not going to be after your VIP ends. You can literally just expand. So let's say you've been in VIP for 2 months and you want an additional 6 months. Well, we take out some discount as well. So probably it's going to be like this, or it's going to be like this. I can't remember, but you get a discount. You can reach out to my team because you are in the VIP, so you get a bigger discount. So people who are new, they get 30%, 35%, and you get like about 50%, I think, discount. So yeah, reach out to them, and yeah, let's see. I know Martin is already interested in that, and he's in the VIP, so yeah. Okay, guys, remember, we are risk-free here. If price continues to roll over, we're looking for those buys in the 4-hour fair value gap. If we start coming up here again, you can have a buy stop at 62, okay? Target that high here, my sell zone, 4,788 to 4,833. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna continue with VIP, and I'll see you there. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.
Seen anybody do the things you do before. Oh, they say, move for me,